Sending money abroad with Remitly using US dollars is simpler than you think, and today we're breaking down exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll need to have a Remitly account. You can access Remitly through their EasyTouse mobile app on your smartphone or their website on your computer. Both options offer a seamless experience for sending money. Once logged in, tap on Send Money. You'll then need to select the country you're sending to and enter the amount you wish to remit in US dollars. This is where you'll see the estimated amount the recipient will receive in their local currency. Now, for the crucial part, payment methods. Remitly provides several convenient ways to fund your transfer. Your primary option is usually your US bank account, often referred to as an ACH transfer. This is generally the most cost-effective method. Alternatively, you can use a debit card for faster processing for some transfers. A credit card might also be an option, though be aware that credit card companies might treat this as a cash advance, which can incur additional fees and interest from your card issuer. It's important to understand currency conversion and fees. Remitly clearly displays their exchange rate and any associated fees before you finalize your transfer. Look for the Express and Economy options. Express is typically faster but may have a slightly higher fee, while Economy is usually cheaper but takes a bit longer. Always review the summary screen carefully. It will show you the exact US dollar amount you're paying, the exchange rate being used, the fees, and the final amount your recipient will get. This transparency is key to a smooth transaction. Once you confirm, your USD payment is processed, and your loved ones will receive their funds quickly and securely. That's how you master sending US dollars on Remitly.